Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download QuickLook on your computer. So for downloading that, press on Window key and then open Microsoft Store. So here you can see I am inside the Microsoft Store. Now here on the search bar, search here QuickLook and just wait. So here you can see QuickLook is showing. Now click on it. So now click on Get to download this QuickLook app. So by using this QuickLook app, it will enable a very quick preview of files contents by pressing the spacebar key. So this is preparing to download. This will take a few seconds to download according to your internet speed. So this is how you can download QuickLook on your computer. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.